What if living to 100 wasn't luck but a blueprint? Dr. Mark Hyman claims science got aging wrong, and Harvard's 2025 data backs him up. This 10-minute journey could change how you age. Hit play now. Welcome to ElderCare Insights, where we uncover secrets to thriving after 60. Today, we're diving deep into the longevity paradox, why some centenarians not only survive, but flourish past 100, defying every medical prediction. This isn't just feel-good fluff. It's grounded in real science. Dr. Mark Hyman, a pioneer in functional medicine, explores this in his book, Young Forever, arguing that aging is less about fate and more about choice. And here's the kicker. Harvard Medical School's latest 2025 research aligns with him, showing that lifestyle trumps genetics in many cases. Think about it. While we've been told to dread every wrinkle, people in Okinawa and Sardinia are dancing at 105. This paradox challenges everything we've learned about growing old. We're not here to sell you a pill or a fad diet. We're here to rethink aging from the ground up. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll break down myths, explore blue zones, tap into the mind's power, and peek at cutting-edge science, all backed by data you can trust. Whether you're 60 or 90, this could be your roadmap to a longer, healthier life. So settle in, keep an open mind, and let's start this journey together. The clock's ticking, let's make those years count. 1. Shattering the perfect health myth. Let's bust the first myth. You don't need a perfect health record to live past 100. Many centenarians smoked, indulged in processed foods, or battled conditions like heart disease and diabetes, yet they thrived. Take Jeanne Calment, the French woman who smoked until 117 and still reached 122, the oldest verified age ever. A 2023 Harvard study in Nature Aging revealed that 20% of centenarians carried chronic illnesses, but outlived expectations due to remarkable resilience. This flips the script on our obsession with avoiding every risk. We've been told to shun sugar, stress, and late nights, but what if the body adapts in ways we've underestimated? Dr. Mark Hyman suggests it's not about perfection, but about how we recover. For instance, some ate bacon daily but paired it with active lifestyles or strong social ties. This challenges the rigid health checklists. Maybe that occasional treat or skipped workout isn't your downfall. It's about balance, not bans. So, what habit have you labeled as bad that might not be? This section invites you to question preconceptions. The data's clear. Longevity isn't a straight line of perfection. It's messy, human, and full of surprises. Next time you feel guilty about a lapse, remember, centenarians did it their way. How might you adjust your approach? Number 2, beyond genetics. The blue zone's code now. Let's move beyond genetics. For years, science pinned longevity on DNA, about 25% of it, according to early studies. But the blue zones, Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, and a few other hotspots tell a different story. These regions teem with centenarians who don't rely on perfect genes, but on lifestyle. Dr. Mark Hyman highlights how they move naturally, gardening, walking, and eat mostly plants like sweet potatoes and lentils. Harvard's 2024 report from the T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that social bonds in these zones reduce mortality by 30%, outpacing genetic advantages. It's not just diet, it's community and purpose. In Okinawa, they live by ikigai, a reason to wake up. Contrast this with typical longevity research focusing on gene mapping. It's falling short. These folks don't hit the gym. They live in it. A daily stroll with neighbors or a family meal replaces isolated workouts. Hyman argues this holistic approach activates longevity pathways we're only starting to understand. So if you hate treadmills, don't worry. Try a group walk or a hobby. The data suggests connection trumps isolation every time. Have you ever felt better after a chat with a friend? That's your longevity boost. This section shows that genes are just the starting line. Your daily choices write the rest of the story. The mind's hidden power. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your mind might be your strongest anti-aging ally. Centenarians often shine with optimism and purpose, keeping their minds sharp well past 100. Take Misao Okawa from Japan, who lived to 117 and credited her joy in family gatherings. Dr. Mark Hyman emphasizes that mental well-being rivals physical health in longevity. Harvard Medical School's 2023 psychology study found that strong social ties cut dementia risk by 50%, linking engagement to brain health. These elders knit, play cards, or mentor, activities that keep them connected. Loneliness, on the other hand, ages you faster than smoking, per the same research. Imagine replacing screen time with a call to a loved one. That's a longevity hack. Hyman suggests purpose, like volunteering, rewires your brain for resilience. Anecdotes abound. A 103-year-old pianist still performs, her mind as nimble as her fingers. This isn't about forcing happiness. It's about finding what lights you up. Have you got a passion you've shelved? Dust it off. The science shows mental engagement, whether solving puzzles or laughing with friends, builds a buffer against decline. This section proves aging isn't just physical. It's a state of mind. So, next time you feel stuck, pick up that book or phone. Your future self might dance at 100 because of it. 4. Science catches up. Epigenetics and senolytics. 300 words. Now, let's turn to the science catching up. Epigenetics, how your environment flips genetic switches, is unraveling the longevity paradox. Dr. Mark Hyman explains in Young Forever that diet, stress, and exercise can activate longevity genes, explaining why some centenarians thrive despite unhealthy habits. Harvard's 2025 Journal of Gerontology study shows lifestyle changes gene expression, adding years by reducing inflammation. Then there's senolytics, drugs targeting zombie cells that accelerate aging. Early trials reported by Harvard Medical in 2024 suggest a 10 to 15% health span increase by clearing these cells. This explains the paradox. It's not just what you inherit, but how you live. Hyman advocates small stresses, like cold showers, as hormesis, mimicking this effect naturally. A 30-second cold rinse can boost mood and immunity, per a 2023 Nature Aging study. This isn't future tech. It's here, tested on humans over 80. The data's young but promising. Imagine adding a decade of vitality. Have you tried a new health tweak lately? This section bridges old wisdom with new science, showing that aging's rules are bending. Whether it's a plant-based meal or a chilly wake-up, these tools are within reach. The paradox deepens. Science is validating what centenarians already knew. Ready to experiment? The Revive, your longevity blueprint. So what's the big picture? Longevity isn't about dodging every disease. It's a holistic lifestyle. Dr. Mark Hyman's Young Forever sums it up. Move more, connect deeply, eat wisely. Start with 10 minutes of walking daily. Harvard's 2024 data links this to a 20% lower heart risk. Connect weekly, call a friend or join a group. Their 2023 study shows it cuts loneliness, aging's silent killer. Eat plant-heavy, try a veggie stir-fry. It's tied to lower inflammation, per Nature Aging 2023. As of September 23, 2025, the oldest person alive is 114, per the Gerontology Research Group, proving these habits work. Hyman says it's not luck, it's choice. Small steps compound. Maybe skip the elevator, text a pal, or swap meat for lentils tonight. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Centenarians teach us aging can be a journey, not a deadline. What one change can you make today? This section hands you the reins. Your longevity is yours to shape. The paradox? The oldest among us are our guides. So start now, walk, laugh, eat green. Your future self might thank you at 100. Like this video if it clicked, comment your first step, and subscribe to ElderCare Insights for more. Check the description for Harvard links and Hyman's book. See you next time. Keep thriving. That's the longevity paradox, centenarians rewriting aging. Which tip will you try? Drop it below, like if inspired, and subscribe for weekly wisdom. Stay young at heart. See you soon.